Roses are red, violets are blue. God made me pretty. What happened to you?
So, my friend thinks he's smart. He told me an onion is the only food that can make you cry. So, I threw a coconut at his face.
It's better to let someone think you're an idiot than to open your mouth and prove it.
I ate a clock yesterday. It was very time consuming.
If laughter is the best medicine, your face must be curing the world.
My dog used to chase people on a bike a lot. It got so bad, finally I had to take his bike away.
If I had a face like yours, I'd sue my parents.
The other day, my wife asked me to pass her lipstick, but I accidentally passed her a glue stick. She still isn't talking to me.
I can lose weight, but you will always be ugly.
Today at the bank, an old lady asked me to check her balance. So I pushed her over.
I can always tell when you're lying. Your lips are moving.
There is no vaccine against stupidity.
No, I'm not insulting you. I'm describing you.
And of course I talk like an idiot. How else would you understand me? Yeah, sure, well, I've seen people like you before, but I had to pay an admission.